Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Got to get some money. Got to buy a new blender because mine burned up, and got to take care of some other issues in the mall. So anyway, grab a taxi about 80 pesos to get over to Ayala Mall. $1.60, and they've got this
Pretty fancy there.
kind of low for me. I really had to bend down.
Okay.
Closer.
Oh,
closer.
put my forehead there.
Closer, closer, closer.
Closer.
Closer. Okay.
Okay.
Usually they have the handheld deals. Anyway, Ayala Mall, Sbarro, a lot of these restaurants opening them up to 50% capacity, which means you can't sit next to the person you're with, I guess, which is kind of, well, no comment. Anyway, not many people here. It was a Sunday. Sundays are family days in the Philippines generally. Had to get some money, sent myself U.S. money, hundreds. Sent myself 500, and I usually would get $100 bills. They didn't have any $100 bills, so they said they could convert it into pesos. So I said that's fine. And the reason I did it that way, I get a better exchange rate by sending myself U.S. dollars. If I send myself 500, I'd get 500. If I order pesos, I'd get, instead of 48.5 pesos to the dollar, maybe I get 46.5, a couple pesos less per dollar. So it cost me to send myself pesos through a service like Zoom, or every place has their own fees and that type of thing. Anyway, you can use these. You fill one of these sheets out.
Product Creative, a brand called Creative.
Creative, no, you don't have, sir?
Okay. JBL. JBL. All right. Do 6,000. 7,000.
I need to get some supplements, keep my immune system up. Got to fill out a form with contact information, get your temperature taken again to enter here, get some alcohol, clean your hands again, step on a sanitizing pad.
Huh? Unmasked?
They have a pretty good selection in here. They've got a store in Ayala and SM in Cebu City. Not sure about the rest of the country. I think so. Anyway, everybody's got masks on. Almost everybody has masks on, and maybe 70% of the people have face shields on. But most wear the face shields up high so they can see underneath them.
Can I test my head? $36. Yeah, put your head there. Okay.
One size fits all, so you got to bend down or get on your tiptoes, I guess. Anyway, Metro Ayala Mall burned down a couple years ago, and they just put it back up. And anyway, in here, in a place called Asian Home.
Looking for a blender. Do you have Oster? Huh? 8,000, 9,000. Panasonic, 5,795. $2,250.
I bought an Oster brand blender here 5 years ago and worked very, very well. So that's what I was looking for.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I have a YouTube channel called Amazing Philippines.
Hi. What's up? We're here in Ayala. Hello.
You know, 90% of the people have their
Yo,
ma-
facial.
it's very difficult to see through.
Yo, correct.
Yeah, yeah. And
Very difficult.
security guy said,
But
"Oh
the-
no, no, no."
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
For your secure. For
Yeah,
your secure.
but
That's
even-
why you wear always
Facial.
Yeah, even
January 6, 2018, the Metro store, which is a department store at Ayala Mall, connected right onto Ayala Mall, caught fire and burned for more than a week, I think. They had trouble getting into it to get to the fire, trying to bust holes in the side of the wall. Anyway, that opened up a couple months ago, I guess. I didn't hear it, and I didn't realize it was open until my friend said, "Oh, we need to go up to the 5th floor to look at blenders." And I said, "5th floor of what?" I didn't even realize they had opened. I missed the opening. Anyway, bigger and better than ever. The Metro store. Metro is a big. They've got lots of different supermarkets around the country, and bigger selection of. Well, not a big selection of exercise equipment. That translates to about $70 US, about $60 US. Anyway, lots of bikes, a lot more people buying bikes because of the quarantine, the virus, the lack of transportation. They're trying to turn the city into more of a bike-related, looking at putting in bike lanes.
yeah. 8,000 bicycles.
So we made it up to the 5th floor, and they've got a big spread out appliance section up here. Entertainment, televisions, washing machines, blenders, coffee makers, and of course, I don't know if it was on this level or the next level down, all the plates and cups and all that type of thing that you would need, frying pans. And should have stopped there. Forgot that I was also looking for a new frying pan, food processors.
$295 food processor. See, these are little individual blenders for 1,000 to 2,000. But there again, I had an Oster. That Oster I had was pretty. Well, here they have Oster brand.
But 2,000.
There's a Dowell 2388. Tough Mama brand. I don't see a price on that. Huh? Hanabishi 1,200. Tough Mama, Fugana. Camel. Juva. You have Oster brand?
Oster?
Yeah. Kiowa. What is this? Oh, it's an ice shaver. Yeah, I want a larger one. What is Tefal a good brand?
It's French brand, sir.
It's a what?
France.
French. Made in China though. I'm sure. Here, she has some vegetables. Let's blend the vegetables up. Okay?
No, only
Huh?
motor things.
No, that's okay. We have lots of vegetables with us. We'll blend them up. We'll let you taste. Not allowed?
Not allowed, sir.
Oh, just joking.
The procedure is when you buy almost anything, something electrical, even I bought a light, and they plugged a fluorescent light in, LED light in, to make sure it worked. They will test everything, make sure, and then you have about 7-day warranty on things to bring it back to the store for an exchange. Usually, normally you'll never get your money back. Anyway, only 2 speeds, but usually I only need 2
I
speeds.
usually only use 1 or 2 speeds anyway. One speed is one. And then pulse.
Pulse.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. I'm gonna buy it just because of the blue light that comes on now. That's what I want. Very pretty, blue light.
The brand Dowell, D-O-W-E-L-L, Dowell, was introduced here in the Philippines 1998 during the Asian financial crisis. Just read that. And they manufacture a number of appliances, and they manufacture in China. Not sure why they aren't manufacturing in the Philippines, but anyway, the Philippines definitely needs more manufacturing going on here. Anyway, big nice new Metro store here. Many of you have heard me complain about it before. The noise level, the decibel levels of all the music, and then when they do have events, they crank the speakers way too loud, and it's just blaring. They use noise to try to attract attention. Anyway, I find the noise level to be very annoying. There comes a point where I just have to get out of those stores and get someplace where it's more quiet. Anyway, this is the proper way to walk down escalators when they're not operating. Not sure this new store why the escalator isn't working, but
Hello. You selling everything here, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right. How much are the masks?
250, sir.
250?
Yeah, 50 pesos.
Okay. Do you work for Ayala?
Yeah.
You work for Ayala?
Yes.
Okay. And okay, the little
Hand sanitizer.
50 pesos for alcohol. And what about these here things?
Tissue.
How much?
40.
40? 40 pesos? Okay. They're
We'll get that one.
well, I have many. I just this may be a little easier to see through.
Yeah, 280.
280?
Yeah.
So that might be more optically clear. Yeah, because even this one very difficult. Most people have them up. They put them up so they can see.
Yeah.
Don't have to look through them. Oh. Thank you.
thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and they've got they got more taxis than they have customers. See ya.